There are 9 real platforms right now where a regular person, not a brand, not a company, can start making money today. Some of these you already know, a couple of them almost nobody's talking about yet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones are worth your time and which to skip for now. Let's get into all 9. Welcome back to my channel, I'm Siren Blue. Okay, quick context. Before we start, creator commerce isn't just live shopping. It's live video. It's shoppable links, it's affiliate storefronts, any way a creator turns their own audience into real income without needing a warehouse, inventory, or a huge following to start. So here are the 9 places actually paying creators to do exactly that right now. Rank from the most well-known to the most underrated. I'll tell you what each one actually is and how the money works and who it's actually best for. Number 1, TikTok Shop. The biggest name in this space, for good reason. You tag products directly in your videos, you go live, and sell it in real time and earn a commission on every sale. No separate website needed. This is the front door for most creators getting into creator commerce. And it's still got the most built-in discovery for a brand new account. Best for creators who want to reach total strangers fast. Number 2, YouTube Shopping. YouTube's own version, and it's growing fast. Over 500,000 creators are already enrolled. Tag products in your videos, your shorts or live streams, and as of earlier this year, you only need 500 subscribers to join the affiliate side. Most creators still have no idea this exists. Best for creators who already have evergreen content that can keep earning long after it's published. Number 3, Whatnot. Whatnot is a live-only marketplace built around auctions and drops. There's no static shop page. Everything happens live in real time. If you like the energy of hosting an actual show, not just posting a video, this is where people are building real, consistent income. Creators comfortable being on camera regularly. Number 4, Amazon Live. Through Amazon Creator Connections program, this gives you access to Amazon's entire catalog, lets you host shoppable live streams, and pays a commission across products people already trust buying from Amazon. You're not convincing anyone a random product page is legit. Amazon's reputation does that work for you. Best for creators who'd rather recommend products than build their own brand from scratch. That's exactly the problem the 2026 Live Social Shopping Starter Kit solves. It's 6 guides walking through all 9 of these platforms side by side. What they actually pay, what you need to qualify, and which one matches your specific niche. So you're not stuck guessing after this video ends. The link is in the description and pinned in the comment. All right, let's finish the list. Number 5, Instagram and Facebook Shops. Built directly into apps you're probably already posting, tags products and posts, reels and stories, and sell without ever sending people off the platform. Best for creators who already have an engaged following and don't want to learn a brand new platform. Number 6, LTK, short for Like to Know. It's built specifically for fashion, beauty, and home creators. You build a shoppable storefront and it connects you with over 40 million shoppers already primed to buy from creator recommendations. Best for creators in fashion, beauty, home, and decor. Number 7, ShopMy. Newer and quietly one of the easiest to actually start with. You build a simple shoppable list of products you genuinely use. You share the link and you get paid when people buy. That's simple. No huge following required to get approved. Best for creators just starting out who don't have TikTok or YouTube numbers yet. Number 8 is the Walmart Creator. Same basic idea as Amazon, different catalog. If your audience already shops at Walmart anyway, this lets you earn from recommending everyday products people were buying regardless. So it's best for creators in budget, for family, or everyday live niches, so everyday people can have access to this. And number 9, Network, NTWRK. A live shopping app built around drops and exclusive releases. Closer to a shopping event than a normal live stream. Smaller audience than TikTok or YouTube, but genuinely underrated. If your niche fits limited, hyper-driven products like sneakers, collectibles, or sweatwear, it's best for creators in that space with the real culture drop. So I would recommend that as well. Okay, so that's all 9 right there. If even one of these made you think, wait, I didn't know that existed, that's exactly why I built this. The starter kit that breaks down the actual approval rates, the actual approval requirements, and commission structure for every platform I just mentioned, plus a real 30-day roadmap for whichever one you pick, and the 5 mistakes that make most beginners quit before they ever make a sale. It's less than a cup of coffee. The link is in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. Now here's how to exactly pick which one is right for you. Here's the honest truth about all 9. You don't need to be on all of them, and trying to be on all of them will actually hurt you anyway. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1, am I comfortable being on camera, live, or do I want to sell through simple shoppable links instead? That alone rules out half this list. Number 2, does my niche fit a specific platform like fashion for LTK or drop cultures for network? And number 3, do I actually have an audience somewhere, or am I starting from zero? If you're starting from zero, ShopMy or TikTok Shop are the lowest barrier ways in. Pick 1 or 2 platforms that actually answer those 3 questions honestly, and go deep before you spread thin. Most creators who succeed in this space aren't the ones juggling 9 platforms at once. They're the ones who've mastered 1. If you want the full side-by-side breakdown of all 9, commission rates, follower requirements, and a clear answer on which one actually fits your specific niche, I already put that together in the 2026 Live Social Shopping Starter Kit. Links in the description and pinned in the comments. Drop a comment which of these 9 are you on, or which one are you trying next. So I'll see you in the next video.